Okay, on this problem, we're given a vertex, hk, and we're given one other additional point that's going to be on our quadratic function. So we want to use this and create the function that has these traits. So the things to notice here, hk, that's our vertex. What's happened here is our parabola that normally is centered at 0, 0 at the origin has been moved, let me see, left 4 and down 1 to end up with the vertex at -4, -1. Let's first start with that information. We can build a function here that we don't know if it has a scalar stretch or compression scalar multiple out in front. So I'll put an a out there. And then we say x, and that 4 is going to be attached in here with the x. But this one's moved to the left 4. So moving left and right is kind of counterintuitive. We're going to add 4 directly to x to move it left 4. And then we want to move everything down 1. So I'm going to put a -1 attached to the entire function. So this moved left and this moved down. All right, so good start, but we haven't accounted for it going through the ordered pair -6, 3. So next what we want to do is that's an x value and an f of x value or y value for our ordered pair up there. Let's fill it in. So we have 3 gets filled in for f of x equals a multiplied by -6 plus 4 quantity squared minus 1. We plugged in -6 for our x value. All right, next up, we have an equation that only has that one unknown. We don't know what a is, so let's do some solving down for a. First, I'm going to go ahead and add 1, move that to the other side. So 4 equals a times, a little bit of simplifying down, combining like terms, -6 plus 4 is going to make -2 quantity squared. Now that square is only attached to the -2, so we say a times 4 is going to equal 4. And then to get a all by itself, we'll divide both sides by 4. So at this point, we have a equals 1. Plugging that back in, we're going to have f of x. Substituting the a equals 1 back up here, we have 1 multiplied by quantity x plus 4 squared minus 1. We were asked to find this in general form. So general form, if you'll recall, is the expanded out version. So to get there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to think 2 copies of x plus 4 and then multiply this out. So first outer and last or distributive property says x squared plus 4x plus 4x plus 16 minus 1 comes down. From here, we just need to combine our like terms and we'll have our general form. So x squared plus 8x plus 15, name that one f of x, and that's the function that has these traits that were given to us from the very beginning. All right, hope this helps out. If you're given a vertex and one other additional point on a quadratic function, you should be able to find the function that has that information. Good luck.